Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Decor double wall stainless steel thermal flasks. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we have two Decor double wall stainless steel thermal flasks here, and they have a 300 milliliter capacity or 10.1 fluid ounces. The one on the left is in black and the one on the right is in white. So let's focus on the black one first. So setting the white one on the right hand side of the table as we focus in on this left or black one. So giving you a close-up look at the product information. That's stuck on the thermal flask. So the thermal flask is of course made out of stainless steel, and just taking a look at the other details around it, or at the underside of the base as we try and get the camcorder to focus in on the details and print on the underside of the base. So it is a hand wash only thermal flask, and this black design does have a slightly bronze tint to it beneath or under that glossy finish. So they give you some sense of the size of the flask, resting it in my palm and then of course holding or gripping it. So it does have a slimline design, and of course having a 300 milliliter or 10.1 fluid ounce capacity, and giving you a look at the top or lid of the flask. So we can see that it does have a clear outer plastic cover for its lid, and it is BPA free as we've seen on the product label or literature or sleeve. And of course the care instructions and warning label all together on that sleeve. And of course there's more details right there as well. That's part of the design of this thermal flask. So insulated with a double wall to retain heat for up to 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. Okay, so let's unscrew or open the top. So it does have a screw top with that clear plastic housing, once again BPA free, and giving you a look inside of the flask. Of course giving you a look at the lid or cap with its screw design and thread. So just setting the flask down to the side as we focus in on the screw cap or lid. And we can see that the gasket or seal is removable, and of course once again this flask is hand wash only, and giving you a sense of the overall sturdiness and sound of this design of the stopper or screw top. So right there, the overall look and details. Okay, and now taking a look at the flask once again with the screw top removed, and taking a look inside, and of course around the rim or opening of the flask. So once again, double wall insulated to retain heat or coldness. And we can see that it does have that satin finish on the outer side. It's right there, an overall look, and of course the Decor branding in a vertical orientation, and giving you a sense of its overall design. And of course this paper literature sleeve is removable, can be torn off. And let's put the cap back on. So simply screwing it onto the flask itself, and once again just tapping away to give you an idea of this stainless steel design of this black Decor double wall stainless steel thermal flask. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at the white one. So just setting the black one on the left hand side of the table, and now bringing the white one in frame and in the middle so we can focus in on it. So once again, 300 milliliter capacity for this double wall stainless steel thermal flask, or 10.1 fluid ounces. And once again taking a look at the product literature sleeve with the product information that's on it. So right there, the features of being able to retain 24 hours of coldness or heat for 12 hours for whatever liquid you decide to store in this flask. Of course that Decor print or branding. And with its stainless steel design and BPA free as well. And taking a look top down once again at the lid, which looks identical in design, and of course the underside of the base right there with some care instructions and other details. So this one is in the white design, and let's give you a look at this white one resting in my palm, and of course holding or gripping it to give you some sense of its size. Okay, and let's unscrew and open the flask, and once again giving you a look right into the flask and at the screw top lid or cap. And once again we can see it does have that removable, washable gasket or seal. So I'm just going to set the flask down and just slide that gasket in place. So once again taking a look at the overall details. And of course the plastic cap, BPA free. And let's screw it closed. So taking about 5 turns or so to tighten the screw top onto the flask, and just making sure that it is completely sealed up. And giving you a look right there at this Decor double wall stainless steel thermal flask. Now let's take a look at both of them together, the black one in my left hand and the white in my right hand, and of course side by side, so you can see up close all the details of the two flasks with 300 milliliter capacity or 10.1 fluid ounces. So both stainless steel and both having that BPA free design. And of course the care instructions. And product label. I'm just tapping them both together. So very light in weight and having a 300 milliliter or 10.1 fluid ounce capacity. And also the white one has a matte finish, and obviously you can see the glossy finish of the black one, and once again it does have a very slight bronze coloring to it instead of being a very dark black. So that's the Decor double wall stainless steel thermal flasks. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!